Järgmisena on teie ees taas kord külalised Harjumaalt. 4.–7. klasside vanuseastme tantsijad Merstuudio Tehnikagümnaasiumi teisest grupist kannavad teie ette tantsu nimega Reis paradiisi. Tantsu autoriteks on Pärle-Maria Kens ja Anne-Mai Lunter.
Seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove shuffle.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Suur tänu Merstuudio Tehnikagümnaasiumi teise grupi tantsijatele.